Nice red. Oh, now hold on, don't catch. Nice red. And today's setup, as y'all know, we still running a drop shot rig. I have a size 1 circle hook. And today I just got some fresh dead bait shrimp. There's still no live shrimp right now, but this fresh dead shrimp, never frozen, works good too. And as y'all can see, all this foam, that just means a lot of wind has been blowing, so that's good. As y'all can see, the water's moving good. The water's not too clear. It's a perfect day to see if we got some active fish out here. Let's see if we can get a bite. Look at that. Y'all saw that? Y'all saw that? Oh, that's a nice one. Yes, sir. That's a red. Let's go. Nice red. Wow. That's a nice red. Oh, he's nice. I don't know. He just swimming though. He not. Might be a goldfish. Might be a goldfish. He ain't swimming fast. Might be a drum. Big black drum.
That's my fish, whatever it is.
He ain't doing much. Nah, he just swimming. He big, whatever he is. Yeah, he definitely ain't slide. He definitely ain't a slide.
Has to be under 27.
That's what I'm saying. He definitely ain't slide.
Yeah.
He coming in. He standing to the bottom, whatever he is.
Design thing, my dude.
If it was a garfish, it would have been some. Look at that man. Oh, that's a giant black drum. Ooh. On a green trailer too. Y'all see that, huh? Let's get him over the grass. Watch out about my neck. Oh, that's a monster black drum too. Monster. Whoa! Y'all know what I do. Look at that fish. It's gotta be at least 35 inches. Ooh. I have a 3-hook drop shot with a 2-ounce. I have green squid trailers on, chiplet shrimp. Just gonna be throwing it out, seeing if we get us some trout, maybe a redfish. Just jigging it off the bottom a little bit. Got him. Okay. Doesn't feel too big. Oh, there's a trout. Oh, it's a trout. Oh, it's a trout. Oh, it's a trout, and it's a nice trout. Oh, let's go. Okay. Okay. That's one trout. One trout. And it's a trout, baby. Let's go. Just slowly jigging it. Slowly popping it off the ground. I think we got our first keeper trout. Let's measure him right quick. This might be the new setup. Okay. 14 inches, baby. Let's go. He's coming with us. Alright, guys. I came to a different spot. The other spot kind of dried up. Came to a spot with a little more sandy at, kind of like a beach. We got the lake coming in from this side. I don't know if y'all can see, but it's like right over there. Got a lot of lake water pushing. The wind is just pushing everything over there. I'm hot. I'm tied up on Drop shot rig. With a 2-ounce weight and just casting it as far as I could, letting it hit the bottom. Reeling on my slack in. And I'm just letting it sit right there, watching it bounce. As soon as I see my slack go slack, setting it up. Oh yes, sir. Let's go. Oh, now hold on, don't catch. Bring it pulling. Nice red. Oh, yes, sir.
Come on, bring me.
Let's go.
Whatever it is, not. I need the net, man.
All
Don't
right,
get that motherfucker out there to the men, though. That motherfucker nice, too, whatever it is.
he nice.
Yeah, he nice.
Oh, yes, sir. Nice red.
Oh, yeah. Such nice.
That's what I do. Y'all know me, Jeep going fishing.
Man, hook that bitch, too, see? Oh, no, I forgot you got all them goddamn hooks on that motherfucker. I forgot you got all them damn hooks. That motherfucker got 9 hooks on that motherfucker. I been saying you barely hooked that motherfucker. I get that motherfucker from that water before I take it out, see?
No, he was just about to get on.
And why I say I want. And somebody smell that water. He smell that water. He know he's still close. He know he's still close. Somebody know he's still close, bro. Need him blind.
Nah, you got on. Yes, sir. Woo!
Yeah. Got him, one.
Let's go. Sir. That is a trout. Yep, nice trout. Woo! Let's go. Nice trout.
Locking them motherfuckers in.
It's that time, boy. They pushing in now. It's about what time it is right now? Bet you it's about 11 almost.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a 50.
He just
Nice trout, baby.
Oh, you got that?
It is.
See?
Fish them all.
You gotta go, man.
Another word, baby.
That's a trout. Oh, that's not it.
Red.
No, that's great.
You might not be keeping though.
Yeah, that's a. How about Phillips right now?
Might be right at 17.
All right.
All right, guys.
So
He's not gonna make it. He right at 17. Gonna get him back in that water. Woo! Nice trout, baby. Nice trout. Woo! Might not make it. He might be right at 13.
what's going on? What's going on? No, I know what I'm saying. This man catching all the fucking fish, man.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's a nice one too. Oh, that's a nice one too.
No.
That's a nice trout. Let's go. Oh,
Grab him.
where he at?
Go, dog.
He gone.
Here you go. Open to you, bro.
I got that bitch right
Right there, see?
No. All right, y'all. That's today's catch. 125 inch red, 214 inch trout. We out there.